A 16-year-old national level basketball player Hardik Rathi has lost his life while practicing here at the Lakhan Majra basketball court. While he was practicing the dunk, he grabbed this basketball pole which fell onto his chest, and later his friends, those who were practicing here on the same basketball court, came to rescue him. But later when he was brought to hospital, he was brought dead. He's come to his injuries. But yeah, I'll show you the current condition of the basketball pole, which is around more than 700 kgs, and I'll show you the condition, the corrosion, the rusting on this pole, which clearly shows the apathy of Haryana Sport Department, the negligence which resulted into death, it resulted into this accident. And clearly you can see peeling and flaking of this metal pole, which tells you the story how this fell. I'll also show you the other side of the pole, which also narrates the same picture, the same apathy of this pole. And here from the root from where it broke and fell onto the basketball player is also damaged due to rust, which clearly raises various questions on the Haryana Sport Department and the negligence in this incident. And this was not the first we have seen an incident like this. Earlier also 2 days ago also we have seen that in Bahadurgarh same kind of incident took place, where a basketball player has lost his life in the same kind of incident. But big question here is that who is responsible behind these kind of incidents, these kinds of negligence, and who is to be answered. We have seen Haryana's players grabbing gold, silver and bronze medal in international competition, but currently I'll show you a visual from Haryana's Rohtak, where yesterday a tragic incident took place, where 16-year-old national basketball player Hardik Rathi has lost his life while he was practicing here in the Lakhan Majra playground. And I'll show you in front of me, I'm standing here in front of a building which is old and which clearly shows the current apathy and the current condition of sports in Haryana. If we will enter here, I'll show you they are using this place as a gym, but here on the top I'll show you how currently this concrete is all damaged, which could further lead to an accident like we have seen yesterday. You can see the exposed steel reinforcement, corrosion and rusting, which clearly shows the current condition of Haryana's sports. I am joined by one of the local, one of the coach to know more about it. तो सर ये कब से ये जो जर्जर हालात हैं ये हो रखे हैं छत के, क्योंकि कल देखा गया कि एक बहुत बड़ा हादसा होता है आपके इसी खेल मैदान में, और ये जर्जर हालात हो रखे हैं?
कम से कम ये 2 से 3 साल से हो रखे हैं सर।
अच्छा जी।
हाँ जी।
कभी आपने इसकी कोई कंप्लेंट कुछ दर्ज कराई हो, कोई बात की हो किसी से?
हमने सर यहाँ जो भी लोकल विधायक आए या जब हम टूर्नामेंट कराते हैं तो जो भी हमारे नेता आते हैं जिसके भी उसको हमें इसको दिखाते हैं, उसको बताते हैं सर ये हालात आप इसको ठीक करवाओ। वैसे कोई पर्सनल लेटर किसी को नहीं दिया।
कोई आया हो अभी, कोई बात स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट से आया अभी जब से कल से हादसा हुआ है?
उसके बाद तो आप आए हो या 1-2 रिपोर्टर हो आया, स्पोर्ट्स से कोई नहीं आया हमारे पास। दिन में आए हो जब ये बंद हो तब हमें मालूम नहीं, प्रैक्टिस के टाइम सुबह शाम कोई नहीं आया।
So clearly I'll show you the linter above me, which clearly shows the current condition. If the cement slab falls from here, that could lead to an accident. Anyway, I'll show you the conditions of the gym machines here, which clearly shows the current condition, that how our players practice here and how they do hard work and how they reach on the top on the national and the international competitions. But yeah, this picture clearly shows the condition, the ground condition, how our sports player practice, and this could further lead to an accident. And big question raised here that who is responsible behind the death of Hardik Rathi. And 2 days ago also we have seen a same kind of incident in Haryana's Bahadurgarh, where one basketball player has lost his life in the same kind of incident where Hardik has lost his life. And locals have said that they have many times complained about this to the administration, but still they have got no answer, no respite. With cameraman Ankit Thakur and Molbali, Rohtak.